Black Panther on the beat, Black Panther, small mighty. I made it not to making I have a boy, you know. Say too many people, too many people, too many people underestimating Black Panther. They don't know what I got. I show them what the fuck I'm capable of doing. They don't know yet. See, these people keep looking down on me, including my father. Keep looking down on me, just keep on looking down on me. I don't know why you 18, but I got no fucking time for that. I just gotta focus on my fucking stupid damn goals.